How do you pronounce the social network? Actually, the way that we pronounce it in Spanish, LinkedIn, has nothing to do with the way that it's pronounced in English, LinkedIn, as in the following examples.
I joined LinkedIn.
Putting out a blog post on LinkedIn.
Follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, everything.
Why is it tricky for us to say LinkedIn? As a matter of fact, this name exemplifies one of the issues that Spanish speakers have with English pronunciation, which is the ability to join words together. Very often, learners of English may have a high level of spoken English, but they fail to connect words, which has an impact on their fluency and intelligibility. This affects all words in general, but especially verbs in the past tense and the past participle that ends in a T or a D sound, as in the case of LinkedIn, which is a combination of linked and in. So what can we do to improve this? One of the tricks that I always tell my students is that they should imagine that this T or D belongs to the following syllable, to the following word. So it's not linked in, which is a bit tricky, but LinkedIn, which is actually easier to pronounce. If you repeat this sequence many times, you'll see that you get it right. Try it with me. LinkedIn, LinkedIn, LinkedIn. It works, doesn't it? Let's practice this with a few more examples. Try and repeat after me. I danced all night. Danced all. I danced all night. I switched on the light. Switched on. I switched on the light. You helped us a lot. Helped us. You helped us a lot. I saved a lot of money. Saved a lot. I saved a lot of money. Very good.